First, be sure you have your Unity project open and VRCFury installed. Then, straight from your Explorer, you can double click the fire-breathing Unity package, click import. Then navigate to VIO, fire breathing, VRCFury prefabs. And you can pick any of these. Let's do PC, U-Shift Fire. And you just click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar. And it'll appear in your scene. Then go ahead and expand the prefab. The object we want to resize and reposition is fire container. We can click on fire body and lock the inspector to see what we're doing with the particle, because it will start playing. Then click fire container again. Use W, E, and R to move, rotate, and scale accordingly. So let's position it down here, make it smaller, just like that. Then we need to reposition post-fire smoke. We can unlock our inspector and hit restart to play the particle. This is the particle that happens after you stop breathing fire. That's about right. And then we'll position the nose tickle receiver. This causes the boop sneeze. One boop 3 times in this area. And you're done. Let me know if you have any questions. The link to my Discord is in the description. Have a great day.